In this tutorial, I'm going to give you some brief instruction on how to create a mock-up of your brand and have it apply to this classic takeout container. The only things you need open in Photoshop are from the window, open up layers, and open up properties. We see that there's a couple layers that have an assigned color on them. Those were done to sort of call your attention in the stack to the layers you're going to be working on. If you click on the first one, the red layer, and just go to Edit Contents, it links to a PSB file, but you need to click on this again. And before I did this tutorial, I had changed the color on this, so I'm going to change this back to black. So what you would do is you would basically just take this image out and pop in your work, and I'm just going to pretend that this is your work. It's just a yellow box just to show the concept here. Maybe I'll just move that in place, and now I will save that work and close the file and go back to Photoshop, and it has updated that link. So now if I Command S to save it, I go back and we see that it has changed the AI link to reflect the change that you made in it. So it's the same drill on this second layer, so I'm not going to repeat that, but I will point out that in the Do Not Edit, there is a picture of a crowd. You could change that out if you wanted or delete it, and you could certainly change the table color if you wanted as well. So have fun.